What is SEO and why it matters in 2025? Let's say you search on Google, best SEO for walking. Thousands of websites exist, but you only click the top 3. Those websites did not pay Google. They rank using SEO. So what is SEO? It stands for Search Engine Optimization, the process of making your content appear higher on Google. There are three parts. 1. On-page SEO. This means optimizing your content by using the right keywords, proper headlines, and good structure. 2. Off-page SEO. This includes building backlinks from other websites to increase your site's trust and authority. 3. Technical SEO. This ensures your website loads fast, is mobile friendly, and has clean, well-structured code. Why is SEO powerful? You get free organic traffic, it builds long-term brand trust, it works 24/7 even when you are not online. If you are serious about building a digital business, SEO is a skill worth learning. Type SEO in the comment if you want to free beginner checklist.